Hi, my name is Oleg, and you're watching the channel By Your Eyes. If you're already familiar with my videos, you know that this channel is all about walking tours. I show you the streets, neighborhoods, and the atmosphere of the coast, while staying behind the camera, so you can simply enjoy the walk. And let me say right away, the format of the channel is not changing. Everything stays the same. The walks, the routes, the pace, just like before. But now there's a new opportunity for those who are interested in property in Spain. I've started working with a real estate agency, and thanks to my experience and deep knowledge of the Costa Blanca area, I can now help you find a home, whether in Torrevieja or in other towns along the coast. And if you've already found a property online and want to see what it really looks like, I can go there and record a personalized video for you. This video will be just for you. It won't be published on the channel. If you're interested in this offer, feel free to message me on WhatsApp or Telegram using the number shown on the screen or in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next walking tours.